6 steps for formal eviction. Welcome to Real Estate TV, I'm Adnan Jalo. Are you interested in knowing the steps for evicting a tenant to protect your cash flow? Then stay tuned, because in this video I will inform you about the eviction process that you must abide to evict a tenant legally. But before we jump into the video, I will appreciate if you join our community by hitting the subscribe button. Can't wait to have you on board. Regarding the formal eviction process, each state has different eviction procedures and regulations. Ensure that you strictly follow the guidelines. In most places, the formal eviction process involves about 6 steps. 1. Notify the renter in writing that the lease is being terminated for a valid reason. If the tenant refuses to leave, you shall now go to step 2. Make an eviction petition with the district court in your area. Step 3. Compile the proof supporting your request to be terminated and then appear in the court for the hearing. Step 4. Wait for the court to issue an eviction notice. Step 5. Hire a law enforcement officer who makes an appearance on eviction day and ensures the resident leaves peacefully. Last step, step 6. Change the locks on the doors. In the event that the renter, who is the defendant, does not show up to the court, the judge will rule in your favor. If you're considering changing the locks or cutting off the utilities without first seeking a court order, you should not do so. It is not legal. Additionally, if you have already started the process of evicting your renter, you should avoid accepting payment from them, as this can render the eviction process pointless. So be careful and patient. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided you some valuable information. Stay tuned and take care.